Alright, in this video we'll be going over picking smart numbers. Now this is a way of solving fraction problems when no amount is given in the question. So when you look at this question, for example, you see that there is no amount. Okay, I'm going to solve this question using the traditional method and then using the GRE method. So let's start with the traditional method. So the question says that Crandall's hot tub is halfway filled. It says that the swimming pool, which has a capacity of 4 times that of the hot tub, is filled to 4/5 of its capacity. Now, if the hot tub is drained into the swimming pool, to what fraction of the capacity will the swimming pool be filled? So we're going to use this to represent the hot tub, and this to represent the swimming pool. So this is the hot tub. Okay, so from here let's call the volume of the hot tub 1 because it's full. Then the capacity, that's the part that is being filled, is half, so that's 1/2. Now for the swimming pool, it says the swimming pool, the volume is 4 times that of the hot tub, so we're going to have 4 times 1, and that gives 4, and the capacity is 4/5 of its volume, so that's 4/5 times 4, so that gives us 16/5. Alright, so the question says that it says if the hot tub is drained into the swimming pool, so we're going to add this and this, so we're going to have 1/2 plus 16/5. Now the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. 2 into 10 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 5 into 10 is 2, 2 times 16, that's 32. So when you add up, you're going to get 37/10. So what fraction of this 37/10 will the swimming pool be filled? So we're going to have, the capacity of the swimming pool is 4, so we're going to have 37/10/4, so that's the fraction here. So this is same as 37/10 times 1/4, and that gives 37/40. Okay, normally this is how you will solve this question. Okay, so this is what I call the traditional method. Now let me use the GRE method. Now for the GRE method, basically what you do is you bring out the fractions in the question. The fraction is half and 4/5. So the fractions, they are half and 4/5. So you multiply the denominators. 2 times 5 is 10. So let's call these 10 units. So from here, the hot tub will have 10 units. Or let's just call it 10U. Now it says half of it is filled, so half of 10 is going to be 5 units. Now if the hot tub is 10 units and the swimming pool is 4 times, so the swimming pool will be 40 units. Now it says 4/5 of its capacity is filled, so 4/5 of 40 will be 4/5 times 40/1, that gives us 32. So it says if the 32 units rather, so if the hot tub is poured in, that means we're adding 5 units to 32 units. That gives us 37 units. Then they said what fraction of it, so 37 over 40 units, all over 40 units. You will cancel u, so we have 37 over 40. Okay, so you can see that the GRE method is a little faster and easier compared to the traditional method. Alright, I am going to pick another example. Now, like I said, picking smart numbers is when you have no amounts in the problem. You can see all we have here is fraction, fraction, fraction. But once they include a number in the problem, you cannot use this method. You can solve it using the traditional method. Alright, thanks. I will pick another example and solve which does not involve picking smart numbers.